Hi everyone. In this video I am going to show you 3 simple ways to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own bedroom while watching your favorite TV show. Sounds too good to be true? Watch till the end of this video and see for yourself how easy it is to make money online. But first, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and let me know what you think about my videos in the comments section. Introducing Honeygain, the app that lets you make money just by sharing your internet connection. Here's how it works. Download the Honeygain app on your devices. It's available for both mobile and PC. Sign up and start earning immediately. Honeygain uses your unused internet bandwidth in the background. Your connection helps businesses with tasks like web crawling, price comparison, and ad verification. And the best part? It doesn't slow down your internet speed or interfere with your online activities. Your privacy is protected with Honeygain. The app only shares your internet connection's unused portion, and it doesn't access your personal data or browsing history. Withdraw your earnings conveniently via PayPal once you reach the minimum payout threshold. It's that easy. Join over 10 million users who are already earning with Honeygain. Download the app today and start making money effortlessly. Turn your idle internet into cash with Honeygain. Visit honeygain.com or find them on the App Store or Google Play. Start earning with Honeygain now. Next, Picoworkers is a freelancing site connecting employers and freelancers worldwide. It offers a wide range of micro-tasks that you can easily complete to earn money. The tasks are quick and simple, like writing short reviews, testing apps, or liking posts on social media. With Picoworkers, you can set your own work hours and choose tasks that interest you. The site provides a flexible way to earn extra cash from anywhere, whether you're on a commute, at school, or relaxing at home. Get paid quickly through PayPal once you submit your task for approval. There are no strict qualifications to start earning, so anyone can join and start making money right away. Join Picoworkers today and start earning money one easy microtask at a time. Brave Browser is a unique web browser that not only prioritizes user privacy and security but also offers a way to earn cryptocurrency through its innovative Brave Rewards program. By using Brave Browser, you can opt into Brave Rewards and earn basic attention tokens BAT by viewing privacy-respecting ads that are displayed directly in the browser. These ads are tailored to your interests but do not compromise your privacy, as Brave doesn't track your browsing history. Here's how you can start earning with Brave Browser. Download and install. First, download Brave Browser from the official website and install it on your device. It's available for desktop and mobile platforms. Enable Brave Rewards. Once installed, enable Brave Rewards by clicking on the triangular bat icon located at the top right corner of the browser window. Ad settings. Customize your ad settings by selecting the number of ads you're willing to see per hour. You can also specify your interest to receive relevant ads. Earn BAT. As you browse the web using Brave Browser, you'll occasionally receive notifications for ads. When you click on these ads and engage with them by visiting the advertiser's site, you earn BAT. Withdraw your BAT. Accumulated BAT can be withdrawn into a verified Uphold wallet. From Uphold, you can convert BAT into other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency, or use it for tipping content creators and publishers. Support content creators. You can also support your favorite websites, YouTube channels, and content creators by automatically allocating a portion of your BAT earnings as tips. Brave Browser's approach to advertising and rewarding user attention is a refreshing alternative to traditional browsing experiences. It empowers users to control their data, while also offering a tangible way to benefit from the online ecosystem through cryptocurrency earnings. Experience a faster, safer, and more rewarding browsing experience with Brave Browser. Download today and start earning BAT as you browse the web. That's all for today, guys. I hope you find the information from this video useful, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.